What are some of the legal constraints? For example, let's keep going. We've got your contract of sale for the land that you're purchasing. You've got your cost of the land that goes in that, the settlement time that goes in that, the date, the contract completion, the day you're gonna be coming up with the deposit. If it's a longer settlement, what kind of deposit terms have you got? What kind of stage payments have you got? For example, what is the date when your contract actually goes unconditional? If it does go unconditional, what are the vendors or the sellers' right for that development, for that contract that you've signed? Building and construction contract. What is the cost of construction that you already got in your construction contract? Is there a deposit required? When is it required? What is the length of the building contract going to be? When is the delivery deadline going to come in? Are there going to be any price fluctuations, or is there any thing allowed for in the contract? Should there be any price variations as we go along? What sort of retention period have you got? The type of build contract that you are using, is it fixed, variable price contract? Is it a cost plus contract? Is it a cost plus with a maximum price contract? Is it a design construct contract? All of these legal, contractual issues you have to consider in your detailed financial feasibility. So let's look at some of the other legal contractual restrictions that you have when you are running your numbers. Clear boundaries. For example, is there a reestablishment survey of the title required for the land to reestablish where the boundaries are? What are the rights over the land? Are there any easements on the site? Are there any rights given to any statutory authorities for gas, water, or electricity? Or is there a potential existence? And what is the location of that? These are all legal and contractual obligations. For example, contract of sale, right to sell, right to lease. All these things would have an impact on your financial feasibility.